Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 250 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about gently grounding yourself, returning to the steady support beneath you and finding calm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the ground supporting you. Notice how it holds you without asking for anything. Now, say to yourself, I am supported. I am safe in this moment. And I can return to my centered self. Keep breathing gently, letting this sense of grounding calm your body and mind. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this grounding with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.